Alright, we're playing free for all. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Our rifles are all not as set up as I thought they would be. So, we're running an old trusty Kappa. See what's good over here. Fuck that. Oh, hey, bud. Where to go? Oh, my bad. I thought you were... Oh, shit.
Can you come tag us? We'll be on your team.
Oh, hello. What's up, bud? Alright, Floppy.
Floppy.
We'll check the other side. I didn't know I got you over here, my bad. Are you allowed to get brought back in twice? Ah, I think you missed. I'll just take it, I guess.
Let's go, Carlos.
Give me in. Nice. Did y'all go in there? You know if anybody's up in there?
Up in there? Really?
Oh, shit. Alright. I guess I'm down. There's nobody in here. I don't see if I can see anybody from up here. Oh shit. He got hit. Be careful, he got hit. I think I got one in the building. I can't tell if he's hit. Yo, in the building in front of us to the left.
Yeah, he's over there.
Get him. The door seems open. Watch the corner on the right.
These two are friendlies.
Okay. So I guess we got him. Hey, we might have to go to the other side. I don't see Fisher nowhere. Alright, cool. Ah, my dumbass wasn't recording again. My nozzle blew up. I've never seen this. Is the green gas too hot from this fucking sun? Leave this gun here. My gun broke. The whole nozzle has just exploded. Yeah, at home. Somebody's sunglasses are here. Yeah, I guess after this game, I'm just gonna switch guns. Okay. Oh shit! Yeah.
You're mad.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Oh, that hurt pretty bad. My fucking nozzle exploded. Oh, okay. Alright, not going that way. What y'all doing over there? Oh, they super flanking. No, sir. Fisher.
Pink team, your flag is on the ground.
Fuck. Get the flag. Get the noodle.
I'm good.
Get the noodle.
Yeah.
Oh no, no. Where'd you come from?
Why don't you go grab the noodle?
I'm about to.
Get the noodle.
Ah.
1 minute. Objective switch. Pink team has the objective.
I got him.
60 seconds. Yeah. Pink team has the objective.
Oh no.
Yeah, 60 seconds. Flag is currently on the ground.
Oh, hit.
Hit.
How'd I get shot in the ass? I think y'all shot me. Oh, my butt. Bro, you shot me. Are we on the same team? Oh, no, you're good then. I thought we were on the same team. I was like, how'd you get around me?
The guy came in front of you, you start moving towards him. I shot you on the ass.
Ah. No, you good.